If you ever visit Korea, be sure to try their famous 77-centimeter-long potato tornado. This vendor has been perfecting the recipe for 20 years, slicing potatoes in a unique way.
This vendor has been perfecting the recipe for 20 years, slicing potatoes in a unique way.
Skewering them. And frying them to perfection.
He then adds his secret spices to give it an extra kick.
He then adds his secret spices to give it an extra kick. Would you like to try it?
Would you like to try it? Oh, and yeah.